teachers, welcome to Part C of Section 1 of the Istation video series. In this video, we're going to look closely at the Classroom tab on the teacher dashboard. So just a reminder that Section 1 includes 5 short videos. You're currently watching Part C. So let's look at that Classroom tab. The Classroom tab is likely going to be the go-to tab for you when you log into the Istation program because it has a lot of information for you to choose from. You'll notice that your name will be in the top right-hand corner and also in the About box on the left-hand side. The About box will also include additional information about your class. What you'll also see on the Classroom tab is that you have links to other areas of Istation. We're going to specifically look at how to get ISIP data from your Classroom page. So your student names will all be listed here where you see this dark gray box. You'll notice that student names are listed in a blue font. It's important to know that anything listed in a blue font on the Istation program, if you click on it, it'll take you to more information. So anything in blue in Istation is a hyperlink to more information. You'll also see that on your Classroom tab, your ISIP data will all populate in this middle column right here. So I can see that this class, none of the students in this class have taken the ISIP, and I can tell because it comes up as incomplete and it's grayed out. And that makes sense because our window hasn't opened yet. It's also important to know on your Classroom tab that there will be multiple products listed. So this class has the Istation reading available. There will also be an Istation math product icon right next to it. And if you're a dual immersion teacher, you'll likely have the Spanish component tabs as well. So the Classroom tab is actually a live page. So while students are assessing remotely, wherever you are, if you're logged into the Classroom tab, you'll start to notice that this middle column will populate as soon as students finish the ISIP assessment. You'll also notice that it will change that coloring from incomplete to complete. So here's an example of a student who scored a Tier 1. They completed their ISIP and it color codes it to a green to let me know this student did fairly well on that ISIP, scoring in the Tier 1 section. This student scored in the Tier 2 band and their color coding has changed to yellow. And this student scored in the Tier 3 band, changing the coloring to red. You'll also still see which students have not completed the ISIP assessment. So again, this page is live, so you'll want to refresh every few minutes just to make sure that you get it populated correctly on the day of the assessment. So once the ISIP is over, you can dig a little further into those student results. Remember that the student names are written in that blue font, which is a hyperlink to more information. So you can click on one of the student names, and it will bring up a box that looks like this. And this is where you'll be able to see the ISIP, the overall score that the student received, how long it took them to complete the assessment, and how many times they logged in that week. Underneath this box, when you click on that student name, there'll also be other report options for you underneath. We'll look at the reports though in a different video. Also notice that this student has 2 different programs registered to them. They have Istation Reading and Istation Español. This is likely a dual immersion student. So stay tuned for our next video, which will cover the oral reading fluency, currently available for grades K-3 and English. Thanks for watching.